Hey guys, we drew a circle and we're gonna do the automatic return home. And we're gonna see how close it actually lands to where it takes off from. All right.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
See, home point has been updated. That is gnarly, dude. Dude, when I first did it, when it was at her mom's house, I lost it because it flies really high, so it would try to fly over everything. And I was like, man, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Because it does it when it's a low battery.
Oh no.
So it flies home when it's a low battery. Well, it asks you. It asks you when it hits 20%, it'll be like, battery low, you want to fly home? And I'll hit yes, and then it'll come back to where I started. Wow.
Dude, there it goes.
It's gone.
Take it to the gas station.
Remember your buddy that lived right here?
Yeah.
Look at the cornfield.
We watched the wreck.
And now you can
all
even
the
dip
lines.
back down and cruise all that.
Now send it home.
Whose house is that?
I don't know, but bring it home.
All right.
Oh, it's just.
Oh, I did leave it on.
Someone's seen it. They're squalling.
All right. We're bringing it home now. We'll see where it lands. It's coming back. I don't hear it yet.
Oh, dude, I don't like this.
It's coming back though. It's over the tree line now.
Oh,
Right there.
It is.
There it is.
Oh boy.
Let's see how close it makes it.
Well, you're flying into the gas station.
It put the brakes on.
Oh yeah. I don't think it's gonna land in the same spot, but it's gonna be pretty close.
Oh, dude, that'll be crazy.
You think it's gonna nail it?
I think it's hitting it.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see, the spot's right there. No, man, no way. I think it's facing a different direction though, but yeah, I think it's gonna hit it.
Yeah, it's facing a different direction.
Look, there's the chalk right there. Oh, it's so close. Dude, it's not very far from it.
That's wild.
Look. What, maybe 2 feet away? It landed in the same, like right in the middle of the street, just
3 feet.